baddies, welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, girl, why are you not subscribed? Subscribe right now. In today's video, I'm super excited to be getting ready for my senior superlative pictures, y'all. I got voted for most flashiest dresser, and I mean, you already knew that. Like, it's basically best dresser. I don't know why they said most flashiest, but baby, I both, so it really didn't matter. But yeah, I won that. I'm super excited. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready for that. I haven't went to my school in weeks, y'all. Weeks. Like, weeks. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get right into the video.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, y'all, so I have already melted.
It's weird.
I already put on my wig cap and got that all right, and I've actually already put my foundation or whatever under my wig, so now all I gotta do is like glue it down and then style it or whatever. So this is actually my first time working with this texture, so this is gonna be interesting. I feel like this is a mix between body wave and curly hair, so I should like it because I like how curly hair looks, but I just don't like all the maintenance behind it. This is deep wave, I think. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna put water and mousse on it just to bring out them curls. But let me go ahead and put this wig on first, and then we can get into how I'm gonna style it. Okay. All right, y'all, so like I told y'all, I haven't been to my school in weeks. Like, I know my school not doing school. They got them little reminder apps, and they sent me a goddamn PSA saying I need to come to the school ASAP, and I'm just like,
really, nigga?
did you have to call me out like that? Like, dang.
Dumb, stupid.
Why haven't I cut my lace yet? Okay, I'm messing up. Oof. Okay, let me cut my goddamn lace because I'm playing. Did I mess up? I think I done messed up. Yeah, I done messed up.
1 hour later.
Hi y'all, I'm finally back. I think I got this little sucker on. I had the struggle with this hair. Like, I don't know if it's the lace or what, but a bit struggle. But I finally got this shit somewhat down. I'm about to I want to lay it down, like, I don't know. I might keep pressing on it to make sure I don't go nowhere, because this thing, like I said, been giving me trouble. But y'all see I done took out some baby hairs. I'm not about to do my baby hairs all the way around, because I know I'm not even about to keep this in line. I might just take it off today even, but yeah, I'm not going to do my baby hairs right quick. Oh no, my face, being, you know, the skin that it is, I go nowhere, it looks great. I have pictures, and it decides, hey, let me break out. My skin is breaking out so bad. I'm going to show y'all once I'm doing this hair. But yeah, my skin breaking out real bad. I really didn't even want to go anymore, but it's like, they're not about to move pictures just for me. I mean, I really could just ask me and my partner to take pictures on a different day, but I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna take them today. It's not any close-ups or anything, but still, you feel me? Like, your girl won't so look good for her pictures. So I'm not gonna try and do my baby hairs. It's hard trying to do them in the camera though. I'm about to just cut it instead of the razor. I thought I was maybe gonna be there already. Cause I want my friend Karen, y'all should remember her. She been in a couple of my videos. I want her to do my lashes for me, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time for all of that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Little baby, the Bobby, stuff in the kitchen. He said chef in the kitchen. I'm sitting here by the stuff in the kitchen. Alright, so my baby hairs, they kind of messed up, but guess what? I'm about to finesse it. I just put the scarf on and lay these baby hair down, lay these baby hairs down, even though I really don't like them. Like, I swear to God, y'all, I am going to do it today. But what I'm about to end up doing is I'm just going to hot comb my hair. I'm going to comb it so where you can't see all the shit that I messed up, because I messed up a lot. I think one of the main issues is that this wig is low-key too big for my head. But we're not going to get into that though, because I ain't got no other option at this point. I do got other options, but whatever. I'm supposed to leave in 12 minutes and I don't even know. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and define this hair right quick, hot comb it, put on my clothes, and dip. I already brushed my teeth and everything. I literally had to start all the way over with this hair, so yeah. I literally have no idea what to do with deep wave hair, but I'm just gonna let it and put some mousse on it, and that's how I'm with it. Alright, so here's the mousse. I'm about to smooth that onto the hair. I want some more. I'm trying to be like as light-handed as possible since I know I'm running out or whatever, but yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks. I thought I was gonna get way more wavy than this, but yeah, whatever. Now for this side. And this hair is from Lavyhair. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to hurry the hell up because, like, I know there's other groups that I take pictures too, like the other winners, but I'm trying to be there, like, on time. My friend Carrie, I think she actually got any wave hair in her hair. She like, girl, you trying to copy me? I'm gonna be like, girl, no. This is about how much shut-in I had from the tangle in it and put that mousse on it just now. This is how much I had. Alright, so I'm gonna take this damn scarf off because for one, it's getting on my nerves, and for two, like I said, I only got like 12 minutes and I need to get dressed and stuff. And yeah, don't choke me now. Alright, so I'm gonna use some of this to help lay it down. So I'm about to fix my baby hair some more, put in my clips and stuff, and then I will show y'all my outfit.
Eventually.
Okay, y'all, so this is my outfit. My clips are from Clipsy. Then I have on this fur vest. I got this from Belk for last Christmas. It was part of my Christmas outfit last Christmas, actually. Then this dress is actually off the shoulder. I don't know why I keep riding up, but it's from Pretty Little Thing. Gucci stockings or tights, whatever you want to call them. And then my Gucci sneakers. And yeah, you know, I wanted most flashy, so I had to be flashy. That's why I got on all this stuff. And yeah, I took off all my little bracelets just because I wanted like a kind of simple jewelry look. But yeah, this is my look for today. Cute. Alright, y'all, so I'm on the way to the school. I was supposed to leave at 1 o'clock and it's 1:20 and I'm just leaving. So basically now we probably have to take our pictures last, and I really wasn't trying to do that, but I guess I'll just take my personal pictures first, like the pictures that I want to post and stuff. But I'm just like so over it, bro, like so over it.
eternity later.
Okay, y'all, so we took all of our pictures. We took pictures for the yearbook, and then of course I had to give me some individual pictures because my outfit is cute. Like, this shit is cute. Like, period, dot. Like, my outfit is cute. Y'all can't tell my outfit is not cute. So I think I just fucked up. Did I just fuck up? Shall see. But yeah, so I've already taken my pictures, and you definitely cannot tell in the pictures that my skin is messed up, but I'm gonna show y'all because I said I like to keep it real with y'all. I don't want to cap for y'all, so because lighting kind of got my skin looking good, so you can't really see, but I just got bumps on the side of my face. But yeah, I feel much better now that I already got the pictures taken care of. Like, it wasn't like it was close up so you could see my hair or my bumps on my face. So yeah, I'm a lot more chill now. Like, I swear to God, y'all, when I feel ugly, I'm mean as fuck. Like, I was so frustrated, but once I got there and seeing my friends and stuff and actually got to taking pictures, I was like way more relaxed. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this get ready with me. I'm sorry it was so all over the place and like just a whole hot mess, but it was just because like I was struggling, and I really apologize for that. I try to keep, like, you know, I try to have good energy and stuff for y'all, but I was mad because like I didn't have no time, and this was a look, and the fact that I was taking pictures, like, I really need to be on point. But yeah, it's decent enough for the pictures. Yeah, don't clown me in the comments, please don't. I tried. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you turn your post notifications so y'all can see future get ready with me, so where I get cute again. And make sure that you like and comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.